There are still unsolved mysteries in mathematics. One of the greatest? The Riemann hypothesis. It asks a simple but deep question: is there a hidden pattern behind the prime numbers? Over 160 years ago, mathematician Bernhard Riemann made a bold guess. And since then, some of the world's smartest minds have tried to prove it. But no one has fully succeeded yet. But what is the Riemann hypothesis? In simple terms, it's a guess about where the prime numbers live on the number line. At the center of it is something called the Riemann zeta function, a strange but powerful function that links to every prime number in existence. The hypothesis says, all the non-trivial zeros of this zeta function lie on a single straight line, the so-called critical line in the complex plane. Why does that matter? Because if it's true, we could finally understand the secret distribution of primes, something that underlies modern cryptography, computer science, and even quantum physics. But proving it? That's one of the biggest challenges in modern mathematics, and one that still holds a $1 million prize from the Clay Institute. But I thought, what if I ask an AI to help me? Could we explore ideas that might lead somewhere interesting? This video is not a final answer. It's not a proof. In fact, it could be wrong. Completely wrong. But if even one part of this experiment sparks an idea for someone out there, then maybe it was worth trying. So please, just take it as a lighthearted exploration. And maybe a little fun. Let's get started. First, let's ask Chat whether the Riemann hypothesis can be mathematically proven. Yes, it's possible. I'll ask the AI a question, since it has to be proven mathematically without any hypotheses or guesses. Huh? It's possible? Then how do you prove it mathematically? This part? ChatGPT seems to be saying something mathematically important. I don't fully understand it right now, but the key is, it shows us which path this hypothesis might be taking. Do I have to prove all 5? Okay, so since the mathematical proof isn't something that can be done all at once, I'll ask it to create a table of contents and then ask to provide the proof. A long table of contents has been created. It's quite long. Then, if proving everything in this table of contents, let me ask whether this hypothesis is proven. It said it was possible, but chapters 6 and 7 can't be proven. But it is possible? I would like to ask whether chapters 6 and 7 can be proven. I'm curious to see if it can be proven, so I'll keep going. I don't know what it is, but it's amazing. It's written so quickly. I'll ask to write the next one right away. It is writing so quickly that I'm wondering if it's mathematically incorrect. It is saying there's nothing mathematically wrong with it, but I have no way of proving it. So let's keep going. I'll check to see if it is doing it according to the chapter. Let's ask again whether it is mathematically well proven. With that said, I'll quickly skip to chapter 6 and 7 of the problem. Is it possible to prove it? It's written without any hesitation. Since it said it was difficult to prove, I am going to ask if it has been mathematically proven. It says no problem. I'll keep skipping through it quickly. We've reached a conclusion. So, has AI proven it? It says that there is one step left until proof. I asked for the last missing proof, and it said it is mathematically proven. This video is an experimental attempt to tackle a mathematical challenge with AI. I am not an expert in this field, and please view the model in the video as merely one possible solution. For transparency, I will share screenshots of my conversation with the AI. Our experiments with AI are just beginning. We will continue to experiment and explore in various ways, so please subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks for watching.